Are you overwhelmed trying to figure out exactly what you need to get started as a virtual assistant? Watch this video for the must-have software to launch like a pro. Very pleased with Gross. Okay. Hey Mama, Lauren Golden here, showing moms like you how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. Every Tuesday, we drop a new episode of Free Mama TV, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video each week. On occasion, a super eager mama will come into our Free Mama community and firmly say, Lauren, just tell me what software I need to be successful right now. Okay, you overachiever, you, I hear you. If you can make a first impression that lets people know that you're serious about your new freelancing gig and you totally have your stuff together, you'll have clients in no time. I'm about to lay down the software you need to set up for your business before it's making money. Step number 1, get a domain for your business. It can be the name of your freelancing business or your own personal name. Actually, I recommend getting both. If your name is available as a domain, you should snatch that bad boy up. And you may or may not decide to build a website in the future, but you're definitely going to need the domain for step number 2 that we're going to talk about in just a minute. Now, most domains can be purchased for just around $12 a year. And if you decide to create a website, you will, of course, need to budget some extra money for hosting costs as well. Now, if you're not sure where to go to buy a domain, I recommend GoDaddy, and it's where I send all of the mamas in the Free Mama movement as well. It's where I've purchased my own domains in the past, and I continue to manage them there. It is secure and reliable. I want to know, do you have a name for your freelancing business, or do you just freelance under your own personal name? Tell me in the comments what it is and how you came up with it. Step number 2, set up G Suite. At around just $10 a month, this minor investment is more than worth it. Not only will you look about 1 billion times more professional using an email address that isn't coolmom@aol.com, but you'll also get tons of storage and sharing features with Google Drive and Google Calendar as the cat's meow for time blocking and scheduling. Insider tip, you do have the option to purchase your domain in the steps for setting up G Suite if you don't decide to get one at a hosting site like GoDaddy in advance. Okay, step number 3, sign up for free accounts with Calendly and Zoom. Calendly automates the process of booking appointments without having that email back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and back and forth and back and forth, trying to find a time that works for both of you, which you'll need when speaking to current and prospective clients. Zoom is a virtual video conferencing software. If you're feeling fancy, you can even use your new GoDaddy account to set up subdomains for these softwares. So for example, instead of having to have some crazy Zoom URL or Calendly URL, you can actually set up a subdomain, calendly.yourbusinessname.com. Automation is beautiful. That's it. Now you know exactly what you need to get set up to start your freelancing business, because everything else honestly can wait until you're serving your clients and making money. With these 3 simple steps, you've created a process that allows prospective clients to engage with you. And it only takes you about 3 seconds of your time once you have it set up. If you want to dive deeper into the software I use as a virtual assistant, be sure to click the link below to watch my video, the must-have free tools for virtual assistant business. Also, if you want to join a community of mamas just like you, I have a Facebook group where thousands of mamas come together for support and action-taking tips and motivation. Now, if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow mamas, and comment below with #IamAFreeMama if this video helped you.